Hello, everyone. Welcome to Module 6. This week, we're going to talk about one of the most important areas in nursing informatics, and that is patient safety and how nurses can use technology to prevent errors. You'll have two graded assignments this week. First, you'll have the quiz. That's worth 10 points that you can use your notes for. And then secondly, the main assignment is going to be the root cause analysis assignment. All right. So the purpose of this is to give you some hands-on practice analyzing an event and identifying what went wrong. So let's go ahead and look at the assignment here. I will go ahead and pull it up. All right. So with this, you're going to have a case scenario. And the case scenario is Mr. Johnson, who's 64-year-old male with type 2 diabetes and hypertension. So you go through the case study here and you find out that Mr. Johnson was given the wrong dose of insulin. And so you need to figure out what caused that. So you're going to classify the event. So you want to know, is this a near miss, an adverse event, or a sentinel event? Now, the sentinel event is one that's life-threatening. And as far as the near miss is something that almost happened but didn't. And then you have the adverse event. So as far as the 6 IOM aims, you want to go ahead and determine a brief explanation of how this incident is related to the IOM 6 aims. Then you're going to conduct your root cause analysis. And you can either do it with the fishbone diagram or the 5 whys method. On your Brightspace this week, up here, you can see the description of the 5 whys. All right. As far as doing a diagram, something that you might want to consider using if you like to use the computer stuff is going to Word. And Word, if you go up to Insert, and then you go over to Smart Art, you'll be able to see different charts. All right. I chose this chart just to begin with, or you can choose whatever one that works for you. But how this works is that you're going to go ahead and if you find something that's related, you're going to go ahead and add a shape. And then you can go ahead and, depending on which shape you click on, other boxes can be made. So you can use that to go ahead and complete your assignment. As far as the informatics tools, you need to identify at least 2, such as either the audit trail or the barcode, medication administration, CDSS alerts or whatnot, and explain how this could help to prevent the accident from occurring. All right. The wrong medication dose. So reflect on the nurse's role, and then you're going to go ahead and write this up. It's going to be a 2 to 3 page APA formatted paper. All right. The rubric is included here, so you can go ahead and look at that, and so that you make sure that you get all the points. All right. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you again next week. All right. Bye-bye.